This is a new chapter, linear programming. This is the first slide of linear programming, the general linear programming problem. First, we will take one example to know something about linear programming problem. Example 1. A person having a capital of 5,000 has to buy two types of boxes of toys, type 1 and type 2, as rupees 10 and rupees 20 per box respectively, and sell them at rupees 14 and rupees 25 per box respectively. Suppose of limits on scale and sell, he cannot buy more than 150 boxes of type 1 and 200 boxes of type 2, but he must buy a minimum of 100 boxes altogether. How many boxes of each type he must buy in order to gain the maximum profit, assuming that he can sell all the boxes he has bought? Solution: maximum profit. Here solution: suppose the person buys X boxes of type 1 and Y boxes of type 2. He makes a profit of rupees 4 per box of type 1 and 5 per box of type 2, because he bought the toys in rupees 10, type 1 toys in rupees 10 and sell it in 14. So the profit is 14 minus 10, that is 4. And for the type 2, he buys in 20 rupees and bought in and sell in 25 rupees. So profit is 5. Therefore, the total profit by equation is Z is equal to 4x plus 5y, because he has to buy x boxes of type 1 and per box a profit of 4, so total 4x plus y boxes of type 2 for type 2 a profit of 5, so that is Z is equal to 4x plus 5y. The objective of this LPP is to determine non-negative integers x and y such that Z is maximum. He has to buy x boxes of type 1 and y boxes of type 2, so that in such a way he will buy such that Z is maximum. Z is equal to the relation between Z and xy is Z is equal to 4x plus 5y. For the condition, as is the condition given, for the condition 10x plus 20y is less than equal to 5,000. Per box he buys in rupees 10. So for x boxes of type 1, we have he has taken 10x, and for y boxes 20y is less than equal to 5,000, because he has only 5,000 with him. So 10x plus 20y is less than equal to 5,000. That is, dividing 10, we have x plus 2y is less than equal to 500. For limits on sale, here it is given that Here it is given that he cannot buy more than 150 boxes of type 1 and 200 boxes of type 2. So x is the boxes, highest number of boxes of type 1, x is less than equal to 150 and y is less than equal to 200. But he cannot sell 150 boxes of type 1 and 200 boxes of type 2. So we have x is less than equal to 150 and y is less than equal to 150. For total number of boxes, he has to, total number of boxes is 100 boxes altogether. He must buy a minimum of 100 boxes altogether. So x and y is greater than equal to 100, minimum of 100. So x plus y is greater than equal to 100. Obviously x and y, since the number of boxes, it must be positive, non-negative. That is xy is greater than equal to 0. It may be greater than 0 or may be in some cases equal to 0. So the LPP is, we have to write these things in a shortcut way. That is, so the LPP is maximize z is equal to 4x plus 5y, such that subject to condition that your x plus 2y is less than equal to 500, such that x plus y 2y is less than equal to 500 and the condition x is less than equal to 500, y is less than equal to 200, x plus y is greater than equal to 100 and the non-negative expressions x and y greater than equal to 0. So for this LPP, we have, this is your objective function, maximize z is your objective function z, which is 4x plus 5y. These three are called, these four conditions are called constraints. And the last condition is your non-negative restrictions. This is your problem number 1.